This is Barbara in Northwest Arkansas, Rogers, Arkansas. It's day 4 of the ice storm. Schools are still closed. We're still frozen in. Roads are still bad, even the major thoroughfares, except for the internet. It's about 25 degrees according to my thermometer on the porch. I no longer have internet service. I don't have cable TV. I can text out, but not receive text messages. Thank God my power is on. A lot of people still don't have power. This has been a major disaster, and the one thing I want the rest of the country to know is that we are in serious trouble here. This is not some kind of lighthearted disaster in the hinterlands. This is Barbara in Northwest Arkansas, trying to get through this storm. This is day 4 of the ice storm. This is Barbara in Northwest Arkansas, and this is day 4 of the ice storm. This is Barbara in Northwest Arkansas, and this is day 4 of the ice storm. We are still frozen in. Schools and businesses are still closed. Nobody can travel on the roads, or people with four-wheel drive can travel on the roads, but normal people like me can't. I no longer have cable television or internet, and my cell phone service is very, very spotty. I can send texts but not receive them. I feel very isolated. I know I'm starting to get cabin fever. I'm very grateful my power's on again. Thank goodness for that. Tree limbs are still threatening to come down. I want the rest of the country to know that we have a serious disaster going on here. This is not trivial. With my internet down, I don't know when I'll be able to get this story up on CNN. We'll just have to see what happens. By the way, the garbage never got picked up, but I'm not surprised at that. This is Barbara in Northwest Arkansas on the 4th day of the ice storm. Maybe you can hear the trees rattling. We still have limbs threatening to come down. In fact, a limb came down last night. I no longer have cable TV or internet, and my cell phone service is very, very spotty. Businesses and schools are still closed. This is Barbara in Northwest Arkansas. It's Friday, January 30th. It's about 7:15 a.m. This is Barbara in Northwest Arkansas on the 4th day of the ice storm. It's Friday, January 30th. It's about 7:15 a.m. We are still frozen in. Tree limbs are still threatening to fall. Businesses and schools are still closed. It's about 25 degrees out. We're hoping it'll go up to 50 today and melt some of this. I no longer have cable TV or internet, thanks to one of those falling limbs, I think. My cell phone service is very, very spotty. Feel very isolated, getting cabin fever. The roads are still really, really bad. And I just want the rest of the country to know that we have a genuine disaster going on here. Look at this. This is the kind of ice that's falling off the trees and bushes. It's got its own kind of circular shape. Look at this. This is the ice falling off trees and bushes. It's kind of cylindrical. This is Ayla. She's the dog who's been traumatized by the sounds of the falling limbs. She comes out if I come out. So I come out, for obvious reasons. But she loves to eat the ice. Yum, yum, yum. Don't know why she likes it. Maybe it's the crunchy sound. Bar Brad in Northwest Arkansas. I was standing at my window looking out when I saw this sight. A big tree. Big tree. Do you see the tops of it? There are like three big prongs shooting up. Those are it's a tree, and the tops have all broken off. I was looking out my window. I was looking out my window this morning when I saw this. The top of a tree, and all the limbs have broken off of it, so all you see are these three stumps just sticking up there in the background. Beautiful cardinal. I'm shooting through ice and a warped window.